Akamdag umaga, my delivery subscribers. Today in my house delivery small squid, 1 kilo 200 peso, and I buy and cooking clear and cooking for you. Okay, let's go. In my life, I long time worked in the big fishing ship, 10 years, and I clear calamara, I clear squid very fast. It's no problem for me. I clear very fast. 10 years I worked in the big vessel, big fishing ship. We worked near Japan. Very cold water. If you people down in this water died 2 minutes and people died. Very cold water. Cat eat. Maybe very fresh. If you cat eat calamara very fresh, it's okay. Squid very sweet, very fresh. 10 years only water. It's very hard work. I know. In Davao, this calamara maybe 120 peso 1 kilo. In Davao, big people market. But now I have delivery in my house. I have not trip in Davao because now very hot. Young squid is very delicious because it's young. People fishermen fishing this squid in the night. In the night, use it light, underwater light, and calamara and squid. Sea is very strong light and go in the net. This squid swimming in the sea. Okay, boys, let's go cooking. I need eggs for my cooking, but I because go in some store my friends Harry and I buy egg. A beautiful dog. I get it egg. Hello. So it's my video blog, it's not problem. My video blog, camera, it's okay. For video, for me, for blog, for people. Okay. Yeah, I have YouTube blog.
No.
Okay, let's go. I need egg. Three.
Egg. Three
egg.
Okay.
Maybe five. Maybe five.
Five.
Five egg. Maybe you have chili pepper fresh.
Yeah.
Okay. Five egg and chili pepper. I'm cooking squid.
3, 4, 5. Okay.
Five.
What else?
Okay.
Chili, pepper.
Chili pepper fresh
Yeah.
and maybe
Chili pepper fresh.
maybe five.
What is that?
Only fresh. No.
The powder?
No dry, fresh, green, maybe
I
no have.
I
Okay,
don't have.
give me please ginger,
Ginger. Okay.
ginger fresh one. Okay,
This one or
Yes.
more?
one. Okay, finish. Yeah.
What else?
And one, one candy. Yes,
One.
9 cloud. I like it. Energy button. It's a
Yeah.
Filipino sneakers. Filipino sneakers. Really.
Yeah.
It's a better sneakers. Really.
Yeah, it's better than it's like sneakers or sneakers is better than that.
I like it.
Okay. Sige, okay. What
Finish.
else? Only that.
Only one. 5 egg.
65.
Okay.
35. Okay.
Thank you, my friend. Salamat, Hari.
Okay, my friend. Thank you also.
Next time, see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Salamat.
Salamat too. It's a beautiful place. In the night, in the all time, you buy food for guest, for friend. It's a very, very good idea. In my country, no home story. Why? I don't know. Now clear garlic. Orientally half hand, half. Need crush garlic. Yes, crush. Cut garlic. Turn on gas. Okay. Not very big. And put oil. I use coconut oil in my plate. Coconut oil. And garlic smell it. Very nice. Maybe my neighbor now to we smell and need after cook Helen will be give my cooking square. Okay. Now clear ginger. I like ginger, but not very lot. Okay. finished cooking, but calamari have good juice. This look, juice. It's very, very beautiful juice. It's a food. It's a juice. Very, very power. Very good for healthy. And I have yesterday rice. If you have yesterday rice, we put this water. This look up. This juice. It's a juice. It's very good for healthy. You see? After this Yum, yum, yum. Only 1, 2, 3 minutes, not very long. And it's a beautiful rice. I like it. Recommended. Very recommended. It's a good tasty and smelling and very beautiful. And putting calamari. Create. One, sweet, correct, very powerful food for strong man, strong woman, for active life. I recommend it for active life. Active life. Okay, finish it. Lot people not like it rice in sauce, but I like it. Really yummy. And rice. This for my neighbor Helen. I think okay. Morning, my neighbor Helen.
Good morning.
It's I want to try cook squid and rice in sauce calamari
Wow.
and egg.
Wow, smell is amazing. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I was hungry.
Eat please. Thank you.
I bring fork and I will try. Okay.
Как это вдвоем с тобой? Можно так, да? Ну, он, конечно, шутковатый чуть-чуть, ну, немножко.
Garlic. There's garlic.
Yeah, garlic and ginger. Okay?
Amazing.
Yes?
I guess it's very fresh squid, yeah?
Yeah, very fresh. In the night, in the swimming in the sea.
You catch?
No, it's a delivery in the morning sailor, 201 kilos. But it's okay price.
Wow.
Yeah?
Thank you for sharing food with me.
Bon appetit, Helen. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat.